The roller press machine. Strong steel roller press, weighs about 50 tonnages. Planetary gear and fluid coupling assembly. Torsion shaft and bearing housing. 2-main drive motor, 4160 volt 1600 kilowatts. Thoroughly inspect if there is an abnormal sound and observe the gap between the two rollers. Reminder before running it, I must have the instrumentation here has the correct connections and correct settings such as temperature sensor, oil or water flow sensors, vibration sensors, oil or water pressure gauges and oil or water differential switch before starting. Roller press and cement plant. The cement roller press has a high energy utilization rate and remarkable energy saving effect in the material grinding press. Cement equipment used for clinker grinding, usually combined with cement ball mill to form a high-efficiency cement grinding system. Ball mill is main cement grinding mill with a low energy utilization rate, only 30% 50%. Compared with the grinding energy consumption, most of its energy is consumed by collision, heating, and noise. Usually adopt the cement roller press to place the fine crushing and coarse grinding roll of the BM. This increases the output of the ball mill system by 30 to 50%, and 20 to 35% of the extruded materials are smaller than 0.006 mm. 65 to 88% are smaller than 1.8 mm. Besides, a large number of cracks will be produced on all extruded materials, greatly reduce the energy consumption of materials. Pre-grinding system. After the material is pulverizer by the roller press, all or part of them with a good extrusion effect will enter the subsequent ball mill for further grinding. The advantages of simple process: less equipment, wide particle size distribution, and stable cement performance. Combined grinding system. Materials ground by cement roller press are divided into two parts by air classifier, coarse part and fine part. Because the cement finished product are all ground by the ball mill, finished products have wide particle size distribution and the cement performance is stable. Working principle of cement roller press. Thank you for watching and God bless.